engine. Okay, yung tinatawag nating engine oil, no? Sa engine oil, depende yan kung ano yung ilalagay mo. Like kung polysynthetic, semi-synthetic, or mineral. So, ang pangalawa is yung transmission oil. Ideally, ang transmission oil, mapa-manual man yan o mapa-automatic, every 2 years or every 40,000 kilometers. Ang suggestion ko sa inyo, i-check nyo mabuti kung anong klaseng transmission yung inyong sasakyan at yung dapat yung ilagay ninyong oil. Pangatlo is yung coolant. Okay? So ito, every 2 years din or every 40,000 kilometers, mas maganda nag-drain up tayo ng ating coolant. Just a suggestion, kung ano yung kulay ng coolant niyo before or kung ano yung brand ng coolant nyo ngayon, yun pa rin sana yung ilalagay ninyo para hindi na maghalo-halo. Okay? And number 4 is yung inyong brake fluid. Ito, ganun din, 40,000 or every 2 years